Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. Sure, the first thing, this is our Samsung Galaxy device. In our case, it's in the blue color here. Also, we have here the paper box. We can see here the next accessory. This is the SIM jack tool, and inside of this paper box we have the cable and only some paperwork like the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card, I think. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.